Welcome back, cloud architects and future solution designers. Today, we're diving into the ultimate cloud platform showdown. Whether you're trying to choose between the three cloud giants or just want to understand the current cloud landscape, this video will give you the most comprehensive comparison ever. We'll break down the strengths, philosophies, and best use cases for AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of which platform aligns best with your needs, team skills, and business goals. Let's navigate the cloud giants together and make smarter choices for your next big project. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud stand as the three pillars of modern cloud computing. Each platform brings its own unique strengths, philosophies, and ideal use cases to the table. Choosing between them isn't about finding the single best platform. It's about finding the right fit for your specific needs. Think of it like choosing between three excellent toolkits. Each can build amazing things, but your project requirements, team expertise, and business goals will determine which feels most natural. In this video, we'll help you understand these differences so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with Amazon Web Services, or AWS, the pioneer of cloud computing. Launched in 2006, AWS holds the largest market share and is known for its philosophy of build anything, anywhere. It boasts the largest service catalog with over 200 fully featured services, unmatched maturity, and a global infrastructure spanning 31 regions. AWS is especially strong in enterprise integration and hybrid cloud solutions. However, its complexity can be daunting for beginners, and costs can escalate without careful management. AWS is ideal for large enterprises, startups planning for massive scale, and companies with complex, diverse requirements. AWS's strengths are clear: a massive global footprint, the most mature platform, and a comprehensive set of services. Its documentation is extensive, and its enterprise focus is unmatched. On the flip side, AWS can be complex for newcomers, and managing costs requires vigilance. Its enterprise bias sometimes makes it less friendly for small startups. Signature services like EC2, S3, Lambda, and RDS are industry standards. If your organization needs robust, scalable solutions and can handle the learning curve, AWS is a top contender. Next up is Microsoft Azure, the enterprise specialist. Launched in 2010, Azure is the fastest-growing cloud provider, with a market share of around 22%. Its philosophy centers on enterprise first and seamless integration with the Microsoft ecosystem. Azure excels in hybrid cloud capabilities, thanks to Azure Stack, and offers strong AI and machine learning services. It's especially attractive to organizations already invested in Microsoft products. However, Azure is less startup-focused, has complex pricing, and some services are less mature than AWS. It's best suited for enterprises needing hybrid solutions and deep Microsoft integration. Azure's strengths lie in its hybrid cloud capabilities, seamless integration with Microsoft products, and strong relationships with large organizations. Its AI and machine learning offerings are robust, making it a great choice for enterprises looking to leverage advanced analytics. However, Azure's focus on enterprise customers means it's less tailored for startups, and its pricing can be difficult to predict. Some of its services are still maturing compared to AWS. Signature services include virtual machines, Azure Active Directory, Azure DevOps, and Power BI. Now, let's look at Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, the innovator among the cloud giants. Launched in 2011, GCP holds about 11% of the market, excelling in specific niches. Its philosophy is all about openness, innovation, and a data-first approach. GCP is renowned for its big data and analytics services, Kubernetes expertise, and cutting-edge AI and machine learning capabilities. Its pricing is often the most cost-effective for certain workloads. However, GCP has a smaller enterprise base, some maturing features, and fewer global regions than AWS. GCP's strengths are clear: best-in-class big data and analytics, leadership in AI and machine learning, and a strong focus on containers and Kubernetes. Its pricing model is attractive for startups and tech companies focused on innovation. However, GCP's enterprise market penetration is smaller, and some features are still maturing. Its regional coverage is also more limited compared to AWS and Azure. Signature services include BigQuery, Kubernetes Engine, AI Platform, and Firebase, making GCP a top choice for data-heavy and innovative projects. When it comes to compute services, each cloud provider offers a robust lineup. AWS provides EC2 for virtual machines, Lambda for serverless computing, and EKS for containers. Azure counters with virtual machines, functions for serverless, and container instances. Google Cloud offers Compute Engine, Cloud Functions, and GKE for managed Kubernetes. Each platform also supports batch computing, making them suitable for large-scale processing. The choice often comes down to your preferred ecosystem and the specific features you need for your workloads. Storage is a foundational aspect of any cloud platform. AWS leads with S3 for object storage, EBS for block storage, EFS for file storage, and Glacier for archival. Azure matches with blob storage, managed disks, files, and archive storage. Google Cloud offers cloud storage, persistent disk, file store, and archive storage. Each provider's storage solutions are designed for scalability, durability, and security, but their pricing and performance characteristics can differ. Understanding these differences is key to optimizing your cloud architecture. Pricing is a crucial factor when choosing a cloud provider. For similar virtual machine instances, AWS, Azure, and GCP offer different pricing models. For example, AWS's T3 medium costs around $30.42 per month. Azure's D2S V3 is about $70.08, and GCP's N1 Standard 2 is $48.54. Each provider has its own cost structure, discounts, and billing options. It's important to estimate your monthly costs based on your actual usage patterns and to take advantage of reserved instances or credits where available. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are major differentiators among cloud providers. AWS offers SageMaker, a comprehensive ML platform. Azure provides Machine Learning Studio, known for its drag-and-drop interface. GCP leads with its AI platform, delivering cutting-edge ML services. Each provider supports a range of tools and frameworks, but GCP is often recognized for its innovation and ease of use in data science and AI projects. Your choice will depend on your team's expertise and the complexity of your ML workloads. Data analytics is another area where the cloud giants compete fiercely. AWS features Redshift for data warehousing, EMR for processing, Kinesis for streaming, and Data Pipeline for orchestration. Azure counters with Synapse Analytics, HD Insight, Stream Analytics, and Data Factory. GCP stands out with BigQuery, often considered best in class, along with Dataproc, Dataflow, and Composer. Each platform's analytics stack is tailored for different workloads, so consider your data volume, processing needs, and integration requirements. Internet of Things, IoT, and serverless computing are rapidly growing areas. AWS offers IoT Core and Lambda, the most mature serverless platform. Azure provides IoT Hub and Functions, with strong Microsoft integration. GCP features Cloud IoT Core and Cloud Functions, tightly integrated with its services. Each provider's serverless and IoT solutions are designed for scalability and rapid development, but differ in ecosystem integration and maturity. Consider your existing tech stack and future scalability needs when choosing. Containers have revolutionized cloud deployment. AWS offers EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Service. Azure provides AKS, Azure Kubernetes Service. And GCP leads with GKE, Google Kubernetes Engine, often considered best in class. Each platform supports Docker and Kubernetes, but GCP's native expertise in containers and orchestration makes it a favorite for companies embracing microservices and cloud-native architectures. Evaluate your container strategy and integration needs before making a choice. Choosing the right cloud provider involves evaluating your requirements across several dimensions. Consider factors like enterprise integration, data analytics focus, startup agility, Microsoft ecosystem alignment, and container strategy. For example, if enterprise integration is key, Azure scores highest. If your focus is on data analytics or containers, GCP may be the best fit. AWS offers broad capabilities and is a strong all-rounder. Use a decision framework to objectively score each provider based on your unique needs. Your team's existing skills and cost considerations play a major role in your cloud decision. AWS skills are most common in the job market, making it easier to hire or train staff. Azure skills are strong in organizations already using Microsoft products, while GCP skills are growing, especially in tech companies. Cost-wise, AWS can be cost-effective with reserved instances. Azure offers good discounts for enterprises, and GCP is often most competitive for on-demand pricing. Weigh these factors carefully to ensure a smooth transition and sustainable cloud operations. Many organizations are adopting hybrid and multi-cloud strategies to avoid vendor lock-in and leverage the strengths of multiple providers. Tools and platforms that work across clouds are becoming increasingly important. Planning for interoperability, data portability, and unified management can help future-proof your cloud architecture. Consider your long-term goals and the potential need to migrate workloads or integrate services across different cloud platforms. Certification and continuous learning are essential for cloud professionals. AWS offers the most established certification program. Azure provides strong Microsoft-focused certifications, and GCP's certification program is growing rapidly. All providers offer extensive free tiers, comprehensive documentation, and active community forums. Investing in certifications not only boosts your career prospects, but also ensures your team can fully leverage the capabilities of your chosen platform. The cloud market is evolving rapidly. AWS continues to expand its service breadth. Azure is growing in enterprise and hybrid cloud, and GCP leads in AI, ML, and data analytics. Emerging technologies like edge computing, quantum computing, and serverless evolution are shaping the future. For enterprises, AWS is ideal for comprehensive services, Azure for Microsoft integration, and GCP for data-heavy projects. Startups should consider AWS for scale, Azure for enterprise targeting, and GCP for data science. Developers are encouraged to learn at least 2 platforms for maximum career flexibility. Getting started with cloud platforms is easier than ever. AWS offers a 1-2-month free tier. Azure provides a $200 credit for 30 days plus always free services, and GCP gives a $300 credit for 90 days. Begin by deploying a simple web application, experimenting with serverless offerings, and testing database and AI/ML capabilities. Career paths in cloud include cloud architect, DevOps engineer, solutions architect, and cloud security specialist. The demand for cloud professionals continues to grow, making now the perfect time to start your journey. In conclusion, the cloud platform war isn't about winners and losers, it's about choosing the right tool for the job. The most successful cloud strategies often involve multiple providers, leveraging each platform's unique strengths. Start by understanding your specific needs. Then select the platform that best aligns with your technical requirements, team skills, and business objectives. Remember, the best cloud platform is the one that helps you build what you envision. Choose based on your dreams, not just the features.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.